Not since the Watts riot of 1965 has this city seemed so out of control. Los Angeles is still on edge.
Everywhere I turn, I'm on a mission for more. But I ain't selling my soul for the dough, that's no go. I'm on the one-way ride to the top. I'm hitting the strip, I got a sound that'll rally your block. I'm in the fast lane and I won't stop. You ain't nothing but talk, you couldn't hang on the rope I walk.
This life that I live, it ain't for the weak. I'm a rowdy-ass gangster that came off the street. I'm trying to keep the peace, but I gotta keep my peace. Got these punk-ass police want me R.I.P. And I'm searching for the higher ground. I want my head in the sky, so high that I can't come down. Legalized in every town across the nation, cause you can never stop the place.
Gotta rise up to the top, can't stop.
How high can you get?
Gotta rise up to the top, can't stop.
How high can you get?
Cause what goes up must come down, so we gotta rise up to the highest ground. Rise up,
Rise up,
rise up,
rise up,
rise up,
rise up.
How high can you get? Cruising in the drop Chevy, got my foot on the floor, I'm hitting switches and my brain is heavy. You wanna look inside and see who's flossing the ride. Curiosity is killing you and stinging your pride. I get high when we're flipping the set, now we're flipping the script. And all you haters couldn't hold my dick. Don't need a clip, but my nine is strict. You should leave it alone and check your tone, cause my nine will spit.
This right here is as high as it gets.
So shit,
Somebody like to split the hill, kept it real till we stepped on the set. So just go for a show, you gotta cut the check. Got my Glock on deck and my custom vest reads. You can't fuck with me, I'm the best, and you can keep the dress, cause I smoke nothing less than the kush. Step back, I'm tired of getting pushed.
gotta rise up to the top, can't stop.
How high can you get?
Gotta rise up to the top, can't stop.
How high can you get?
Cause what goes up must come down, so we gotta rise up to the highest ground. Rise up,
Rise up,
rise up,
rise up,
rise up,
rise up.
How high can you get?
I go psycho, crazy Michael Myers, and set the stage on fire, go higher. Cause when our name's on the flyer, there's so much smoke it make the whole city rise. Let's devise a plan to get the whole world lifted. One band came to take the land with a mission. There's no way you can stand in this position. You can't take that heat, get the fuck up out the kitchen.
Born with the will to hustle, see we hitting the road, you'll never stop it, you ain't got the muscle. We're on the world tour, homeboy, this is for sure. We got a cure, blow the stage up, be out the door. Sometimes we all need an escape, so when we fall off track, you get your mind right and make a stack. I made a pact with my crew on the hill, we'll continue to build for all the people who will need that bill. Gotta rise up to the top, can't stop.
How high can you get?
Gotta rise up to the top, can't stop.
How high can you get?
Cause what goes up must come down, so we gotta rise up to the highest ground. Rise up,
Rise up,
rise up,
rise up,
rise up,
rise up.
How high can you get?
Middle of the pit, causing chaos, disaster. Highest from Cyprus, all